when talking about lateral acceleration, guys, it's gonna obviously have different mechanics from linear, a straight line. When we're moving right to left, our body is gonna start to operate a little differently to create as much force as possible. So when moving side to side, a couple things need to happen, okay? Our setup, okay, needs to be a nice athletic position, nice wide base to allow us to react to the game ahead of us and move right or left, whatever the game may tell you. If we start too narrow, we don't have as much opportunity to push the ground away to project ourselves wherever the game may tell us. So that's why we like to start in a nice wide base to allow us to push either to our left or to our right. All right, so when we're going to side, a couple things that need to happen is, obviously the main generator of power is going to be your backside. So for instance, if we're going to our left, our right hip now becomes our backside hip, where we're going to generate force to project us that way. When we need to lateral shuffle, keep our hips square, whatever the case may be, all right, we're going to, first move is going to be a backside push, all right, once the game tells us we're going that way. Then we need to have a direction to where we're going to guide that force, all right? So the first movement is going to be a push, a directional step, okay, go, all right? So instead of when we run, obviously we're going this way, our lateral gait cycle is going to be a more horizontal circle, more like an oval, all right? And as far as our lower half goes, we need that whole lower half cycle, our heels almost need to click. That's our gait cycle. Like when we run, it's more of a revolution, right? Or if you're sprinting, it's up and down and back. When we go lateral, to allow that momentum to go through its full cycle, directional step, pull with my front heel, reset. Okay, so it goes push off my backside, open up my directional step. I'm gonna find my front side heel and pull that as well to get my adductors and my glutes fired as well. Pull, sit.